Hi everyone, today we are opening a Hoopa box. So what is a Hoopa box? It's a Pokemon collection of a jumbo card, promo card and 4 packs. That's the front. It's a little bit banged in several places and also on the back, but it doesn't matter, we're gonna open it and I'm sure the packs are okay. So let's see if we can get something interesting out of this box. So it's a bit tight, the plastic, but victory. So what we have here, we got the promo. This one is the Sword and Shield 176 Hoopa V. I'll use the Ultra Pro sleeves. You can get them in the link below if you want. And slip it up. That's good. So that's the jumbo version of the card for display purposes. And 4 packs. The code, of course. So that's the code card. You can grab it if you're fast. So what we have, we got 2 Fusion Strike booster packs, Vivid Voltage and Evolving Skies. We'll start with the Fusion Strike. Black code. Maybe we'll get something interesting. Let's see. So, got ourselves Beltoy, Bowfish, Vulpix, Chansey, Clavopus Reverse, and Steelix holographic. So, nothing special. Second pack. Code. So we got Shinx, Delibird, Bunnelby, Mudkip, Clefairy as the reverse, and Alistair. So that's cool. Get to the Vivid Voltage one. Usually this collection boxes doesn't have such a good pull rates, but anyway we're gonna give it a shot. We got a Sandile, Yanma, Meowth, Tang, and Explode. So, last pack, Evolving Skies. See, it's the code card. Yeah, Nickit, Sigmite, Vera, Emolga, like an elemental badge, and Shiftry. Yeah, so basically except the holo rare, nothing special. But still, this was the Hoopa V box. So you're gonna get this for sure, promo jumbo, and 4 other packs, so hopefully your pull rates will be better than mine. You can use the links below if you want to get your own Pokemon products, and have an awesome day. Till next time.